Okay guys, from Raceflight, I'm gonna show you that my RevoltOSD is effective from factory. Everything is well connected here. This is a Schizo Volt 32. Okay, the motors is in 1, 2, 3 path. Here's 1, 2, 3 path. Here's the same, here's the same. Then there is a harness that goes to the FC. There is a plug that goes to the BTX. There is a plug that goes to the receiver. There is a plug that goes to the camera, and then you have to connect it to the computer. You have to go step by step. You program, it will arm, everything went good, but then by the time I have the 596.bin flash on this quad. So let's see here. You will see. Okay, it's gone. That's the only thing I can see from the OSD. Arming switch. This is the arming switch here. This is the OSD here. This switch here, OSD, and down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Now it's doing that. Oh, this screen is not showing. Now it's doing that. Okay, and now it's very weird what is happening to my FC. Is effective, is doing that kind of stuff. So I need answer. I need a new FC, please. So I'm gonna send you this back.